Welcome to eMedia. This tutorial will guide you through exploring the more than 20,000 educational resources available in the eMedia library. Before you start exploring, be sure that you have logged on to eMedia using your MyUEN credentials. This will give you access to the licensed resources on the site and allow you to save resources for later use. If you are not logged in, you will only be able to view resources that are open to the general public. If you need help logging in, or if you need any eMedia support, you can send a help request by clicking on the support button found on the side of each page. The most basic way to explore eMedia resources is to use the search tool found in the middle of the eMedia homepage. You can also access the search tool by clicking on the magnifying glass in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. Here you can type in keywords related to the content you are looking for. You can keep your search general, or you can narrow your search by subject, by education level, and by standard. If you'd like to really fine-tune your search, you can click on Advanced Search. This will allow you to refine your search even more. I recommend starting with a basic search to see how many results you find, and then narrow your search as needed. When you're ready, type in your keywords and click the search button. Your search results will be displayed as a list of resources. You can sort your results by relevance, by rating, by date added, and more. You can also view resources with or without thumbnail images. If you find more resources than you care to scroll through, you can use the tools on the left-hand side of the screen to filter your results. For example, if I am specifically looking for a lesson plan, I can click on Material Type and select Lesson Plan. Or if I'm looking for a video, I can click on Media Format and select Video. As you can see, my search results will change based on the filters I apply. When you find a resource you're interested in, click on the title of that resource for more information. You will see a preview page that contains a description of the resource and other helpful details. You can click on View Resource to open the item in a new frame. Depending on the resource, you may be able to download the file to your computer. You can also save the resource to your account so it can be easily accessed later. To do this, go back to the Resources Preview page, click Save, and either select an existing folder or create a new folder to save it to. To find resources you have saved, click on Your Account and My Items, and click on the folder you saved your resource to. For more information, tutorials, and highlights, visit the Utah's Online Library product page at uen.org/UOL, or visit the Getting Started with eMedia Hub. If you have additional questions, feel free to send an email to emedia@uen.org.